everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this following tutorial, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to check how many Gmail accounts on your number or on a particular number. So to understand this, you have to follow the simple steps. First thing, you could go ahead and open up your Gmail account, and when you're logged into your account, then you could go ahead and open up your profile. So I'm going to switch my account. So here, go ahead and click on it. As you do that, you could find out this option is add another account at the bottom of the page. Once you do that, you'll find different options. So go to Google. When you go to Google, it's going to take a while, so just wait patiently. And here you want to go ahead and enter the phone number or the email address. Now click on forgot email, and next thing you want to do is go ahead and enter in your phone number. Make sure to enter the country's code as well. Once you do that, click on the next button, and here you want to go ahead and type in your first name, and the last name is optional, so either you could do it or just leave it. Now as you can see, this indicates there is no Google account with the info that you've provided, which means that the following this particular number does not have any Gmail account. So likewise, you do the same procedure and you could find out or check how many Gmail account on your number. That's all for this video. I hope your video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.